going to attempt to go to one of the shuls over here, still near the Baal Shem Tov. So this is the official shul of the Baal Shem Tov. They redid the outside, the exterior. However, inside is where the Baal Shem Tov actually prayed. We're going to try to get inside. Okay, Nachman, take it away.
All right, so we're going to hear the story of the place. The story of a place. The story of the king's chamber, the Baal Shem Tov's Beit Midrash, Mezbush. This is a gate of heaven, quotes. So tradition among the Jews of Mezbush that the shape of the Baal Shem Tov's ancient Beit HaMikdash should not be altered because it corresponds directly to the Beit HaMikdash. Oh, I'm sorry, Beit Midrash. In heaven. 5202. 1442, 300 years before the Baal Shem Tov arrived in the city of Mezbush. I'm not reading this too long. This was built at one on my name as well.
And this is the outside of the shul. Here's the door. It's locked right now. And this is the Bach's location of his old shul. It used to be over here. As you can see with a picture of what it used to look like, imagine the Bach's shul was here. And what happened to it? Oh, wow, look at that. Carved on the wood. Wow. And that building down there, renovated, but that's the Ohev Yisrael's shul. Let's look at this photo one more time. This is the Baal Shem Tov shul when it used to be up before renovation. And look at this old shul. Story of a place. This is the Beit Midrash of the holy Ohev Yisrael of Apta. The Apta Rav. Rabbi, that the most amazing thing is, this was your great-grandfather's shul.
So they made a replica.
You got me with the hat like this.